Good morning. Welcome to the KSE Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. It is Think About It Thursday. A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. As that river continues to flow over the rock and flow over the rock over time, it will cut through the rock and make its way to where it needs to go. Not because it's super powerful and not because it's got a lot of force, but because it keeps going and keeps trying. That's how we work. You just got to keep trying. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have a breakfast sandwich and lunch, not really sure. For breakfast tomorrow, we're supposed to have waffles or pancakes and sausage, and lunch will also be a surprise. Today's birthday is Melanie Robinson. Happy birthday, Melanie. Tomorrow, we have our Battling for Madeline fundraiser. Students can bring in $1 or more to support our student Madeline, and that will be an out-of-uniform day. The money will be sent to Miss Wetzel in the morning after you collect it, or in your snack bag, I believe. Also, teachers, please remember to schedule a time for Ms. Gibbs to come do your ACAP online tools training with your students. As you learned in the ACAP PD yesterday, it is very important for the students to be familiar with this testing format. It's something new, and we're not really used to it, and we want to give them lots of practice. Important dates coming up. Today we have our ACAP tutoring that begins on February 5th, which is tomorrow. We have our Battling for Madeline fundraiser. Next week we have more ACAP training. On the 9th, we have our honors presentations. On the 10th, we have extended PE with grade level planning. After that, we have some Mardi Gras break. We also have more PD and extended PE and Spring Picture Day coming up on the horizon. This week is also National School Counseling Week. And so in your classrooms, you've been working on cards or banners or posters for Miss Pate to celebrate her, as she works really hard around our school for our students, and we love our counselors. So please tell Miss Pate as you see her that how thankful you are for her, and give her a little encouragement for her job. And please send up the cards or the banners or the posters to the Collab Lab. You can send those to the Collab Lab, and we will collect those to give to her by the end of the week. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.